Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about how to insert and edit the header, how to insert and edit the footer, how to insert the page numbers. Before going to this, a small request: those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now let us see the concepts, how to insert header, footer and page numbers. So first of all, let us discuss how to insert and edit the header. So first of all, let us discuss what is the purpose of this header. See here I have taken see here total 28 pages in this document. I have taken 28 pages. Okay, in this document, you observe here for each page at the top of the page, Ravi Computer Academy is there. For each and every page you observe. See here, this is the first page, and this is the second page, and this is the third page. Like that, for each and every page, 28 pages, you observe this is the last page. For this page also, same Ravi Computer Academy is there. That means here I am preparing for example, a textbook of this Computer Academy. I want at the top of the page my academy name. Okay, you are observing here. So how it is coming means, how it will come means, for each and every page I have to type to come like this, Ravi Computer Academy. For each and every page I have to type like this. If I do like that, it takes much time. That's why just you give in first page whatever you want, the text at the top of the page, just you give in first page in the header. It automatically repeats for every page in your document. Of course, how many pages it may be? It may be 100 or 200 or 1000 or 2000 pages. Once if we give in header in first page, automatically it will repeat. No need of typing in second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. That is the purpose of this header. That means the purpose of header is, if you want any logo or shape or any text at the top of your page, we can insert in header. Now let us see the procedure how we can insert this header. See here, suppose here you observe I have taken completely 54 pages, but here I want to mention at the top of the page, here I want to mention at the top of the page Gurukul English Medium School as a header for 54 pages. If I type for each page 54 pages, it takes much time. Okay, but here I'm inserting header as a Gurukul English Medium School in first page. You observe now, for each and every page up to 54 pages, it will come. See here. So the procedure for inserting header is, keep the cursor in first page. After that, see here, we have to click on insert. In that insert we have header and footer group. In that we have the option header. Here we have to click. Okay, see here. So whenever I clicked on header drop down button, it will display some styles. You observe here. So whichever the styles you want, you can take. See here, number of styles for header, it is displayed. Suppose I am selecting this style. Okay, so whenever you select the style from header, automatically you will observe one blue color dotted line. This is of header section. Okay, and also you will observe header and footer design tools. Header and footer tools you observe here. So whenever you select header style, you automatically observe this header and footer tools, and the dotted line, this is called as a header area. Here we have to type the document title is there now. Here we have to type the text which you want to mention at the top of the each page. Here we are giving in first page only. Now you observe, see here I have given the header like this, Gurukul English Medium School. Okay, after completing the text, you observe we have given in first page. Okay, click on this close header and footer. See, so now you observe we have given in first page only, but for 54 pages, see here, this is the second page, third page. For each page it is repeated. See here, at the top of the page, that is we are calling as header. See, if you want to see the last page, see here, this is the 54th page, 53, and this is the 54th page. See here, 54. See here. See, for every page it is repeated. Okay, this is how to insert a header. If you want to edit the header, means just double click here on this header, just double click. Whenever you double click, automatically header and footer tools will appear and this header area will come. In that, if you want to do any editing, means if you want to change the color of this one, or if you want to give bold like this, and here close header and footer is not appearing. If it is not appearing, means click on this header and footer tools, it will come, and click on this one. See, it is edited. Now you observe that changes will reflected to remaining all the pages. See here. This is how to edit the header. Okay, right. So then what about footer? What about footer? Footer is nothing but we are giving the text or logos or any shapes at the bottom of the page. Header means at the top of the page and footer means at the bottom of the page. If you want to mention anything at the bottom of the page, so here this is we are calling as footer. This is also same. If you given in first page, automatically it is repeating to some other pages also. Okay, now let us see. For this also the procedure is same. Click on insert. In insert header and footer group, in footer click on this drop down arrow button. So whenever you click on this drop down arrow button, automatically displays some styles, footer styles. Choose the required style. Suppose I want this style. Okay, here in footer I am giving the address of my institution. At the header I have given Gurukul English Medium School. In footer I am giving the address of that institution. See here, Prasad okay. So here we have given in first page only, footer also. Automatically it is repeating for all the pages for 55 pages. See here, 55 is there now. So now I am closing. Now you observe this is the first page, header also given, footer also given. So you observe for each and every page that footer also, we will see the footer for each and every page. See here. See. Okay. So this is how to insert the footer. For to edit this footer, the procedure is same. Just double click on this footer. Automatically you will observe header and footer tools and this area, footer area. If you want to do any editing or if you want to add anything, you can add like this, and again you have to click on this close header and footer. Whatever you have applied there, it is reflected to remaining all the pages. Okay, so this is about how to insert header, how to insert footer, and how to edit the footer and how to edit the header. If you want to remaining header and footer, if you want to remove the header and footer, for that the procedure is click on insert tab. In that insert tab, if you want to remove the header, means click on header here, remove header. Now you observe each and every page footer is there. Why? Because we are not removed the footer. So that header is removed. This is the procedure. Again, if you want to remove the footer means just click here footer, remove footer. See, now you observe, so no header, no footer for every page. Here, so this is about how to insert, edit header and footers. Now let us see the next topic, that is called as how to insert the page numbers. How to insert the page number. See here I have taken a document. It contains 74 pages. It contains, you observe on the status bar, it contains 74 pages in this document. But here you are observing or not, there is no page numbers. So now I want to insert the page numbers for this document which is of 74 pages. Simple procedure, click on insert tab. Again in the header and footer group only we have page number options. Click here and select. First of all we have to select the format page numbers. That means for you want page numbers in which format? You want 1 to 3s, numericals, or capital letters or Roman numbers. So I have selected 1 to 3s. Okay. So where you want the page numbers? You want the top of the page or bottom of the page? For example, I have selecting the bottom of the page. In bottom of the page, where you want? At the center of the page or left side or right side? For example, I want at the center of the page means this one. Left side means this one. Right side means this one. You have to select. So bottom of the page. Okay, I have selected the format is numbers and I am selecting center. So now you observe, close this one, close header and footer. Now you observe, see here from first page at the bottom of the page, see here, this is the 1, this is the 2, 3. See, all the page numbers are displaying here. You observe, this is the last number. See, 75. Total pages are 75. For each page, it is displaying page numbers. Okay. Suppose if you want at the top of the means top, select this one. At the top where you want, left side, select this one. See here, close this header and footer. Now you observe. So I have given top of the page, left side, see 1. Okay, that also it is displayed. If you want to remove the page numbers, insert page number, remove page number. See here, top also deleted, bottom also removed. If you want to start the page numbers from particular number, not from starting, here I have removed the page numbers, bottom removed, top also removed page numbers. So now my requirement is I want to start the page number from 60 or 70 or 50 or 45 like that. For that, click on page number, format page numbers. Here select the numbers started from where you want to start. For example, 45. Type here. Okay. Right. After that, you have given 45. Where you want, top or bottom? Top. Okay. In top where you want, center. Right. Close this header and footer. Now you have to see here from 45 it is started. 45, 46, 47. Okay. So this is all about how to insert header, footer and page numbers. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.